I was nobody. I came from a poor family. But I was given a break at UNC.
They saw the passion in me. Gusto ko makapag-aral, gusto ko makapagtapos.
Di ko naramdaman yung diskriminasyon na mahirap ako. Free akong nangarap.
My favorite teacher in UNC said that we should be able to nurture the next generation to be better than us.
I want to raise the bar for persons with disability.
Do not live behind the shadows of your parents. Create your own shadows.
Pag sinabing UNC graduate ka, dapat alam mo kung paano mag-lead, alam mo kung paano kaasahan ng tao.
No matter what your dream may be, with UNC, be anything and everything you want to be. University of Nueva Cáceres, celebrating 70 years of nurturing better tomorrows for all.